Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you how to throw a super fun New Year's Eve party for families or kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 5 different quick and easy items that you can print and assemble. I've designed and used all of these products myself, so I can guarantee that these will all be a huge hit for everyone in the family. But before we get started, if you wouldn't mind clicking the subscribe button, we would really appreciate your support. Now, let's get started. The first item we're going to create is a Happy New Year banner. You can display this on a blank wall, and this will double as a photo backdrop area. Feel free to add balloons or shimmery photo backdrop, which I will include the link to everything I'm using in the comment section below. To create the banner, you will need 110-pound white matte cardstock, scissors, twine or ribbon, tape, or a hole punch, and of course, one of our festive banner designs. For this video, I'm going to use the smaller version of my Star Happy New Year banner. There is a larger version that is also included in the download, but I like to save paper, so I went with the smaller version. I found it easier to cut the sheet of paper in half first. Then I used my scissors to trim around the star shape. I timed myself while I was cutting out this banner, and it took me about 4 minutes per page, which is a total of almost 30 minutes to get this fully assembled and hung. So from printer to wall, 30 minutes. Once you have your stars cut out, you will want to assemble them on your twine or ribbon. There are 2 ways to hang this. One is with using tape on the back, and one is using a hole punch. I'm going to show you both ways, but in my opinion, I prefer the hole punch method because 1, it's easier to assemble, and 2, you can adjust the spacing after it is hung. So if you're going to do the taping method, you will need to reverse the spelling, and this gets a little confusing for me. So that's another reason why I prefer the hole punch method. Here you can see that I was struggling a little with trying to assemble this in the tape method. Backwards and upside down is a little challenging for me, but somehow I managed and got it to work. Oh, it looks like it's working. Okay, good. Keep taping. Again, I'm an advocate for the hole punch method, and you'll see in a minute just how much easier it is to create a banner in that way. Okay. For the hole punch method, you will want to punch 2 holes in the top. For this star design, I decided to go right above the black star shape, and I tried to make sure that they're in the same spot on each star. Once you have all of your holes punched, you can take your twine or ribbon and thread from the front to the back. You will want the twine to lay along the back of the star, not the front. I like to tie the first hole just to keep it in place a little better, but you don't have to do this. Next, you will want to thread them all in order until you have the wording spelled out. Once all the letters are strung, you will want to keep a few inches on either side of the banner for either tying to 2 posts or taping to a wall. The next item we're going to create are these great time capsules for kids. These are super easy to print, and you can cut them in half using your Xacto knife or scissors. And these are great because you can use standard paper, and you can print as many as you need. If your child is too young to write, you can simply ask them the questions and write down their answers. Some of their answers should be pretty entertaining. Our 6-year-old son had a blast filling this out, and we look forward to saving this for him, and we could look over it next year or even in 10 years. Our next project is a fun and festive way to stay hydrated. So these super easy water bottle labels are perfect. You can download these files from our website at creativeuniondesign.com or from our Etsy shop. You will need the Avery full sheet sticker paper for this, which I will include a link in the comments section below, and of course, one of our lovely designs. Once you have downloaded the file, you can print these on your Avery sticker paper. Then either trim using scissors or an Xacto knife. Once you have the labels all trimmed, simply peel off the backing, line them up on your water bottles, and adhere around the water bottle. For this next project, we're going to create these crowns that are a super fun activity for kids, or if you have smaller kids, you can pre-create the crowns and let them have fun wearing them. For this project, you will need scissors, ribbon, tape, both magic and double-sided, and of course, one of our crown designs. You can find these on our website at creativeuniondesign.com or in our Etsy shop. I'm going to show you how to create two styles. One is the ribbon headband style, and the other is the classic crown style. Once you have these cut out, you can line up the end points of the classic crown. Using your magic tape, you can tape together on the inside. Then using your double-sided tape, you want to make sure the crown will form a complete circle. Next, we're going to create the ribbon crown. You can take your ribbon and find the center. I used about 20 inches of ribbon, but you can measure to have a more precise fit if you like. Then just line up the center of the ribbon with the center of the crown. Use your magic tape to adhere the ribbon to the crown. Be sure you use the tape close to the edge of the crown so that when it wraps around your head, it will lay down flat on the ribbon. These crowns are fun for both boys and girls, and my kids had a blast playing with these well into the new year. The final activity that I wanted to show you can be used for either kids or adults. The adult cards will have a saying that you can opt out of answering the question by taking a drink, and the family version does not have that printed on the cards. Both versions are included with the download. You can find these cards on our website or on our Etsy page. These are super easy to print and trim, and you can use either your Xacto knife or scissors. I'm going to show you both versions just so you can see the difference in time. The scissors do take a little bit longer, but they're a little bit handier too. To use this activity, you simply gather everyone around, place the cards in a pile face down, then pick a card, read it aloud, and answer the question. These are all really fun questions, and you'll have a lot of fun learning about the people you're playing with. You can either have each person read their own question, or you can pick one question and have everyone in the group answer that one question. It's completely up to you. So that's it. Now you have a bunch of great items that you can use for your family New Year's Eve party. Please check out our other video on how to create New Year's Eve photo props, which I will place the link in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching and have fun designing.